Hey there, this is Mr. Alexander, and today we're going to talk about tree diagrams, which is one part of IB subtopic 3.7. So I just want to show you a bunch of these tree diagram problems that have appeared on past IB exams. The probability that Nikita wins a tennis match depends on the surface of the tennis court on which she is playing. The probability that she plays on a grass court is 0.4, or 40%. The probability that Nikita wins on a grass court is 0.35. The probability that Nikita wins when the court is not grass is 0.25, or 25%. Complete the following diagram. First thing you ought to know about tree diagrams is that the branches, of which there are 3 here, they need to add up to 1. So if that one's 0.4, this one's going to be 0.6, because they need to add up to 1. If that's 0.35, this is 0.65. If that's 0.25, that's 0.75 right there. And to find the probability that she wins a match, I need to find the 2 places where she wins a match, multiply through to get these individual probabilities, and then add them together. So 0.4 times 0.35 is 0.14. That's the probability that she'll win and she's on grass. The probability that she's not on grass and she wins, 0.6 times 0.25, is 0.15. So to get the total probability of her winning a match, I need to add that 0.14 and 0.15, which is 0.29, which means she's got a 29% chance of winning a match. Let's do a few more of these. The probability that it snows today is 0.2. If it does not snow today, or if it does snow today, the probability that it will snow tomorrow is 0.6. If it does not snow today, the probability that it will not snow tomorrow is 0.9. Fill in the diagram. Well, if that's 0.2, that's 0.8. 0.6, 0.4. To get these ones, I'm looking at if it does not snow today, then the probability that it will not snow tomorrow is 0.9. Which means this must be 0.1. So to get the probability that it will snow tomorrow, I'm looking at the 2 places where it's going to snow tomorrow. So the probability that it snows today and it snows tomorrow is 0.2 times 0.6, which is 0.12. The probability that it does not snow today and it snows tomorrow is 0.8 times 0.1, which is 0.08. The total probability that it will snow tomorrow then is 0.12 plus 0.08, which is 0.2, or a 20% chance of snow tomorrow. Alright, let's do one more of these. Marin plans to travel to a concert tomorrow. Due to bad weather, there's a 60% chance that all flights will be canceled. If the flights are canceled, Marin will travel by car. If she travels by plane, the probability that she'll be late for the concert is 10%. If she travels by car, the probability that she will not be late for the concert is 25%. Complete the tree diagram. Well, these ones are already done. This is 0.9 because they have to add to 1. This is 0.75 because they have to add to 1. Find the probability that Marin will not be late for the concert. So she'll not be late here and here. The probability of her traveling by plane and not being late is 0.4 times 0.9, 0.36. The probability of her traveling by car and not being late is 0.6 times 0.25, which is 0.15. So the total probability that she'll not be late, we're going to add these 2 together to get 0.51, where there's a 51% chance she will not be late for the concert. Alright, that's tree diagrams in a nutshell. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.